Kylie, and today we're setting up a Christmas tree at Lazy Daze cabin.
Hello, my name is Dylan and I'm your guide to the North Georgia mountains. I own log cabins up here in the northeastern part of Georgia. This is Rabun County, and I rent out my log cabins to others so that they can experience what our location has to offer. I manage and maintain our cabins on my own, and that's to maximize our net income. On occasion, I'll bring my daughter Kylie along to help me. We always strive to make our cabins warm and cozy, and we go out of our way to celebrate our guests' special moments. Today, Kylie helped me to set up the Christmas tree. Her keen eye for design and her meticulous attention to detail really helped to make my job a lot easier. She was the best little helper I could have asked for. I believe that cultivating a strong work ethic early on is extremely important.
Watching this video, and if you would like to stay in Lazy Daze cabin, let us know.
And that is the Christmas tree.